Hi, this is Mark from TrendSpottr, and today I want to walk you through the new TrendSpottr app for HootSuite and show you how you can use this app to discover the most interesting, timely, and trending content across the social web. So the first thing to do is to install TrendSpottr on HootSuite. If you haven't already done so, it's really easy. You head over to the Tools section, to the App Directory, and you'll see a number of featured apps, including TrendSpottr. If you haven't already installed it, you just click on the green button and install TrendSpottr, and away you go. Now, one of the great things of TrendSpottr on HootSuite is you can have multiple simultaneous searches going on. So you can see here we're searching for top trends on the terms technology, on social media, and on big data. And what we're presenting here are the stories, the links, the hashtags, and the images that are the most emerging and viral and trending across those keywords and topics. So for example, on technology, we can see that the top trending article right now is about the future of email, which looks a lot like Twitter, the article says. We show you the source of the article, which is The Atlantic in this case, a trending score, which I'll get into in a second, a short excerpt from the article, and of course you can click through to view that article in a separate tab or window. We also allow you to click through to see the conversations that are driving this piece of content to trend in real time and engage with these users. Now, you can always personalize your search terms. So if we want to look for another topic, we can just click on our drop-down menu and pick from science and see again the top trending topics and links coming from science. One of the amazing things about the TrendSpottr app on HootSuite is the ability to create organized searches using the tab structure. So here I've created a number of tabs. The first one is news sources. So here what I've done is created search terms for the top publishers and journals and newspapers that I read on a regular basis. So for example, TechCrunch, Guardian, New York Times, NPR, Bloomberg, and more. Now rather than going to the individual websites to check up on them or view them in an RSS stream, what the TrendSpottr app on HootSuite allows you to do is to view them in one single interface. And what we're showing here is not every single story or every single tweet about these publications, but really showing the top trending news. So in one glance, I can see what's important now that's being published by NPR or The Guardian, and what's emerging and trending before it's gone viral, before it's reached most of my network. Similarly, you can create tabs for brands. If you're a product manager or a brand manager, you can view what's trending right now in real time about your brand. So for example, Audi's new Spider is a top trending discussion right now. It has a trending score of 100. The next one is actually has a trending score of 23, which shows you that much of the viral intensity is around this top story. If you're a day trader or a stock trader, this is a fantastic way to keep track of what's trending about individual stocks or stocks generally. You can use the $ convention to see what's trending about $ Apple or Google or terms like stocks, currency, Forex, and more. And it's really a great way to get signals from the market about what's emerging and what's trending in order to be predictive about the issues that may move a market or move a stock. I also created a tab for cities, which is really useful. You can actually see what's trending in any particular city. So for example, in real time, and again in one interface, I can see what are the top trends happening right now in New York, what are people talking about and sharing in Toronto, Boston, San Francisco, and so on. Now because it's HootSuite, sharing this content is really simple and straightforward. Click on the share link and immediately you'll be able to share this content across your networks to everything that you've connected to, whether it's Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or Google+. So that's TrendSpottr for HootSuite. We hope you give it a try and we look forward to your feedback. Thanks, and you can get that at hootsuite.com and search for the app directory.